Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch 5 and I'm gonna show you how to soft reset this watch, basically restart. To soft reset this watch we need to wake up the screen on it by pressing the crown button, and then we need to press and hold the crown button, and we need to keep holding it until we see the power menu on the screen. Once the menu appears, we can tap on restart option and then tap on it again to confirm and reboot device. Now let's wait until the rebooting process is complete. As you can see, we're back in the system, and that's how you soft reset this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.